Hi, my name is Dylan Marin, and this is my computer graphics final project. To start, I want to walk you a bit through the code and describe my project. So I was working on building a ray tracing graphics engine for shadows and for reflections and experimenting with that. I'm working on an M2 Mac, so I was limited to the fragment shader, which was, like I said, a limitation, but also an interesting challenge. I ideally would have liked to transform some data in the vertex shader and pass that to the fragment shader for my ray tracing, but due to the inability to pass arrays of data from the vertex shader to the fragment shader, I had to utilize uniforms heavily to send information to the fragment shader. For ray tracing, what I needed was the information of all of the triangles, their colors, their reflectivities, and their normal data. And in order to get that all to the fragment shader, I needed to make sure that I handled all of my data well. So I have a shape handler class that handles my objects, including my planes, cubes, which are not pictured in the final product, and my OBJ models. So here I'll show you the final product. So to start, we have a simple scene. We have an icosahedron loaded from an OBJ model, and you can see here that I'm using a combination of diffuse lighting with attenuation and some ambient lighting with my ray casting to determine where the shadows for this icosahedron should be. And as you can see, this is all updated in real time as I move the light through the scene. As I move closer to the scene, the performance starts to degrade because we have more and more fragments to render, but you may notice that the icosahedron is actually reflective, and it's being reflective of the walls around it that you can see. And now, if I start to toggle one of the keys that I bound and add reflectivity to the left and right panels, you can see this mirror tunnel of the cube, or the icosahedron, and its shadow. So yes, the performance degrades because we're doing a lot of ray casting and a lot of bounces, but yeah, this is the fun final product of my scene. As you can see, even as we move the light around, it's all reflected properly, and you can get some interesting shadows when it's cast beside the box, or as the light gets further away, we have attenuation and whatnot. So yeah, this is my scene. A lot of data manipulation, a lot of uniforms, and checking my triangle intersection with the rays and the light source. But yeah, thank you.